Hey guys, and welcome again to another episode of the Freelance Blend podcast and Freelance Blend TV. This is Marv De Leon, and in this video, we'll talk about how you can actually shop with your EON card at coffee shops, restaurants, clothing stores, grocery stores, etc. etc. But first, I would like to give a shout out to my friends at EON for supporting the show. As you know, EON is one of the best options for freelancers to get their hard-earned money right away in real time. And that's what we'll talk about in this video. But before we continue, I would like to ask you to please subscribe to Freelance Blend TV and Freelance Blend podcast by clicking the subscribe button. Okay, so in the past episodes, we showed you how you can set up your EON account, link it with PayPal, and transfer the funds to your EON card. So now that your card is loaded with money, you just simply go to any store, whether it's a local store or an international store that accepts Visa cards. How do you know? Just look for that Visa logo in front of their stores and present your EON card to the cashier. When you hand over your card to the cashier, she will either dip the card or swipe it and then ask you if it's a savings or a checking account. Remember that your EON card is like a virtual bank account. So tell the cashier that it's a savings account. So remember in our past video, when you link PayPal to your EON card, you linked it as a credit card. But for using it at stores and using it in an ATM to withdraw, you choose savings or say savings account. So after the cashier selects savings account, she will then ask for your PIN code. So just key in your PIN code and it will be accepted. If you want to know how to set up your PIN code, make sure to watch our other episode 163, Selfie Banking Demo and Other Security Features of your EON card. There you will see how to set up or change your PIN code inside the EON PH app. So that's it. It's that simple. If you have any questions or comments, please post it below this video, or you can also go to our Facebook page at facebook.com/freelanceblend. Lastly, if you want to get more tips on freelancing, please subscribe at freelanceblend.com/tv or freelanceblend.com/iTunes. Okay, thanks again and peace to everyone. Bye!